Slide the battery locking switch into the unlocked position. Slide and hold the release latch into the unlocked position, and slide the battery out of the bay. Loosen 3 captive screws from the large bottom cover. Grasp the cover at the access notch and lift the cover to release the clips. Close the cover and turn the system over. Remove the 2 screws from the area under the large bottom cover. Remove 1 screw from the bottom cover. Turn the system over and open the cover. Slide the keyboard toward the rear of the system. Lift the front edge, then pull the keyboard slightly toward the front. Turn the keyboard over and lay it face down. Disconnect the trackpad cable and the keyboard cable from the system board. Place the keyboard face down on the bezel. Connect the trackpad cable and the keyboard cable to the system board. Turn the keyboard over and set the front edge under the rear edge of the bezel. Lower the keyboard into position and slide the keyboard forward until it is secure. Close the cover and turn the system over. Install 2 retaining screws under the large bottom cover. Install 1 screw into the base cover near the system's left edge. Place the tabs of the large bottom cover into the corresponding slots in the chassis. Lower the cover into place and secure it with 3 captive screws. Make sure all of the clips are secure. Slide the battery pack onto the rails of the battery bay until it clicks into place. Slide the locking switch into the locked position.